Next, we will demonstrate the rosette stitch. We will use 6 strands of floss, color number 8 for the embroidery. First, bring the needle up at the bottom. Bring the needle down at the adjacent position. Bring the needle up vertically. Wrap the floss around the needle twice. Wrap around the bottom needle. Complete the first round. Wrap the second round. Maintain even tension while wrapping. After wrapping, pull the needle upward. Press down with your left hand. This prevents the wrapped floss from loosening. Adjust its size with the needle. Bring the needle down at the outer contour. Bring the needle up through the lower contour line. For the final stitch, bring the needle down at the outer contour. Adjust its shape with the needle. The rosette stitch is typically small. It's perfect for small decorative accents. It adds delicate detail to your work. Let's look at the finished result.